Yesterday, the B&H emailed me that the microcolor panel is available for pickup on the store, and so I rushed this morning to get this bad boy, which is the this guy over here. And I just want to do a quick unboxing. I just want to show you what's inside. First look, maybe I'll do a follow-up video using this bad boy over here. So this is a $509 editing gear from the Vinci. So yeah, I already got the editor keyboard, which is over there, if you can see, and I need some editing tools when I'm color grading. So let's unbox this bad boy. I am not paid nor sponsored by B&H or DaVinci Resolve. I mean, I'm starting doing color grading and all those good stuff. So let's do this. Yeah, when I see this on YouTube, I was like, I'm pre-ordering this bad boy. Yep. So a month after they showed this on NAB, I was definitely sure gonna take this bad boy with me. So inside the box, it's the start guide, which you have to read because this is new. Everything's new, so this is important. Place it over there, and some styro. In the box, there's a USB-C to USB-C. I don't know how long this is, but it's better. They say this is a Bluetooth compatible, so yep, this is so nice to have. Look at that. Wow, this is perfect. So there's a welcome guide, getting started, manual and everything. Of course, stickers, and they include a DaVinci Resolve Studio like this. I don't know if this is it or what. Maybe this is it. I got a QR code at the back, so probably this is it. I'm not really sure. I'm definitely gonna save that. And there's nothing else in the box. So yeah. So here's the bad boy itself. Wow, it's my first time to have a editing gear like this for coloring. I do manual coloring. Yep, this is nice. So this is gonna be short. If you have any questions regarding this bad boy, hit me up in the comment section below. I can't wait to use this. So yeah. So always don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, all those good things. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.